Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to create a new account Microsoft Bing in Computer. So how to create a new account Microsoft Bing in Computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the Microsoft Bing home screen. To create a new Microsoft Bing account, move the cursor to the upper right corner of the screen. Here there is a sign-in icon. And tap. And there will be two menu options. Here I will choose a personal account. Now it will appear to input the account. To create a new account, tap Create One. Now this menu will appear. Tap Get a new email address. Now here you will be directed to create a new account. Type the new account you want to create. After finishing, tap Next. And then, you will be asked to create a new password. Type your new password. After finishing, tap Next. And you will be asked to fill in your first name and last name. After finishing, tap Next. And next here you will be asked to fill in the country and date of birth. After finishing, tap Next. Well, I have finished creating a Microsoft Bing account. Can be seen on the profile icon here. So that's it, the tutorial how to remove news from home screen Microsoft Bing in Computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.